be kidding me.
Whoa.
Where were you? I turned around and you were gone. I thought something had happened to you.
Relax. I got a kebab. You want a bite? Go on, have a nibble.
I don't want it, Isla. I can't believe you just left me like that. Left the club, no text, no call. Something could have happened to you. You know I tried calling you. Of course, no answer.
My phone died. Chill. I'm home safe and sound, see?
Do you even care that I was out there looking for you? 2 hours, Isla. 2 hours looking for you. I was really worried about you.
You worry too much. You always have.
Yeah, well, somebody has to, so it looks like it's down to me, as usual. Where are your glasses, Isla?
First cupboard on the left, top shelf.
They're not in there, Isla.
What?
Not in there. Where are they?
They're in there.
They're not. How do you live like this? This place is a mess. You're a mess. You need to sort yourself out. This isn't like you. Are you even listening to me?
Finish the advert. Wash your machines, live long.
For God's sake, Isla!
What? What do you want?
Did you even hear a word I just said?
Yeah? Yeah, you were saying... you were... No, wait.
Forget it. Have enough for you tonight.
I'm sorry. You're mad at me.
I'm not mad, I'm just tired. Please don't leave me like that again. I can't bear it, not after months.
There you go again.
Do you think pretending like it didn't happen helps?
Do you think talking about it does?
It does if you just give it a chance.
Oh, well, where's this come from then? Why all of a sudden do you care what I do? You were quite happy living your wonderful life before, so why the sudden change of heart?
Oh, I'm sorry for caring about you. Forgive me for not wanting to see my sister dead in a ditch somewhere.
I didn't ask you to look for me.
Yeah, well, I didn't have a choice, did I?
Oh God, you are so controlling.
I am not. I am just trying to keep you alive.
Or maybe I don't want to be alive. Maybe I left the club tonight to get away from you. To get away from all of this.
You gonna get that? Isla. Fine, I'll get it. Where is it? Your bag, Isla! How do you live like this? This place is disgusting.
They're not mine.
Oh, okay. So not yours, then you won't mind me doing this then, will you?
Wait, no, what are you doing?
It looked like I
What,
should do.
what the fuck, Mia? No!
Are you going to tell me the truth or do I have to keep
Okay,
going?
okay, fuck, no, okay, they're mine, okay? Well, are you happy now? What did you do that for?
I did it for your own good, Isla. You need help.
Oh, I need help. Go fuck yourself.
Yeah? Well, fuck you too.
Hold on tighter to you. When all this is through, until I hold tight on to you. We'll just head down, carry on, 'cause what else can we do but get through? And we'll sing hallelujah, but what is that to you right now?
Isla?
But let's talk in
Please
a
let me in, I
way
just wanna
that
talk.
can give us some faith to go around. We'll hold tight as we can when it's better again. And that'll sustain me for now.
Hey. Do you remember when you got stuck in that high chair? You were trying to impress your crush Luke?
God, shut up.
You know Dad had to cut you out with a saw, right? You cried for like an hour straight.
I was 13.
And you still did it to look cool.
My friend, when we're together again,
What I'm trying to say is that
together
you used to tell me everything, even the embarrassing stuff. And I know it's probably my fault. I know I've been distant.
again.
I want you to know that I'm here for you, okay? And nothing is ever going to change that.
When we're together again.
Oh, come on. What's going on?
Oh. Don't know. Most of the time I just feel like empty. Like there's nothing there anymore. I can't even get up out of bed in the morning, so I tried to find something. Anything that would make me feel again. You know, after Mum's death I was so alone. I often wondered if I disappeared tomorrow, would anyone even notice?
Of course I would.
Yeah, you didn't. Did you? You were never there. Not even for Mum's funeral.
You're right. I left you and I hate myself for it. But I just can't get that night out of my head. Me and Mum had just had an argument about her drinking. Oh, she was so mad and she left. And I remember searching for hours and then I finally found her just standing in the middle of the road. She turned round, but it was too late. I remember squeezing her hands so tight that my hands turned white. And then nothing. Just a complete blank space. Numb. Like I was completely detached from everything, you know? Like I was this silent observer just watching from afar. I was scared, I guess. So I ran. And at first it helped. I met someone. His name was Brian. He was cute. A nerd, but cute. And things finally felt good, you know? Until one night, he was drinking and we had an argument and one thing led to another and he hit me. Life sucks, Isla. And I know that doesn't excuse me abandoning you. And I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry too. I wish you'd told me sooner.
I'll hold on tighter,
Quiet.
my friend.
Yeah. For now.
We're together again. Together again.
You know you're a really ugly crier, right?
I mean, it's rude.
It's true, you are.
When we're together again.